Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick little video on our homepage in Canvas and then just show you how to get to the Zoom link and what it'll kind of look like. This will be the homepage. If you have any questions about that, please let me know, but it has everything on it you need. This slideshow is live, meaning all of these are live links that you can click on and will take you to the FAFSA website or the Bell schedule or the syllabus. All of those are live links. You can also click and just go through. I have a little thing there, and then here's my schedule and some other information you might need. All of this will also be able to be found in other places because I want it to be available in various ways. So all of that, excuse me, will be, you'll be able to find that in Pages as well. And if it's anything specific you need that day, I'll make sure it's in the module so you don't have to go find it. Second thing, modules. Everything will be listed in the modules. I suggest going to modules and just don't even worry about assignments. It'll be easier to follow. So asynchronous means you do it by yourself, and then synchronous means it's when we go live in our class. We'll be using Zoom, so the Zoom link is right here. So on day 1, which is August 18th, Tuesday, we'll go live at 10:15. You'll click on this Zoom link, like this. You'll click on this little open Zoom link in new window, and it's going to take you over here, and you would be able to open the Zoom meetings. It's pretty simple. I hope it works for everybody. If not, please let me know. All of this is going to be trial and error. I know we did Canvas some in the spring, but this is all still new to a lot of us, and it's just going to be trial and error and showing grace and just, helping each other out. So if you please have any questions, or you notice something's not working, or a link's not working, or you can't find something, please send me an email or a message here on Canvas. But that's just a little help on how you should go through this course. Homepage has all your information. That'll also be found in Pages. Secondly, modules, go there for all of your assignments. Follow it in order. And lastly, in the modules, you'll find that Zoom link for our live class.